Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MGTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. However, this does lead to the very valid question, though, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my opinion, it all revolves around a single level, and this level is down here at let's call it $4.15. Why is $4.15 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 415. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when the price was essentially at its lows. However, let's say the price does something like this. Not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, pulls back, behaves in that manner before working its way back up. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, then in the short term, you are starting to get stair steps in the upwards direction, aka progress. And that's what it's all about. All progress has to start somewhere. And while, that's maybe not the most exciting thing, if the price has any sort of chance of getting back up in the, 7s and 8s, it's got to start somewhere. And my quote-unquote starting somewhere is being defined as staying up above $4.15. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, initial area of resistance is going to be that previous high right there at the $5.10 mark. And then after 5.10, next key overall area of resistance is going to be the 50-period simple moving average, which is being denoted by that purple line right there. But one step at a time, one bridge at a time, and that first bridge again right there at about $5.15. So anyway you slice it, very nice bounce on the day. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this bounce next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.